Good morning, students. Today we have graphical solution of linear inequalities. How the inequalities are plotted on graph and how are their solutions. We can check their solutions also. The first part is graphical solution of linear inequalities. Now, if you see, if you draw a line in a plane, the line divides the plane into two halves. One is left hand plane, another is right hand plane. Similarly, one plane will be the feasible plane in which your points holds and you will get the solution of inequality. Similarly, this is the second line which divides the plane into two parts. One is upper half, second is lower half, and you may calculate the feasible region के जहाँ पे inequalities के आंसर आ सकते हैं. तो basically the line divides the paper plane into two half. एक जो है वो solution वाला एरिया है और एक जो है वो नॉन फिजिबल एरिया है जहाँ पे inequality holds नहीं होती. Let me explain by taking the example exercise 6.2. Solution of solve the inequality graphically in two-dimensional plane. Inequality is x plus y is less than 5. पहला काम वही है 9th-10th में जो करते थे पॉइंट्स लिए. If x is 0, y will be 5. If y is 0, then x will be 5. So we are having 2 points 0, 5 and 5, 0. यहाँ तक 10th वाला काम है, लाइन लगा लेनी है. After drawing this line, now you are having two plane. One is plane 1, second is plane 2. This line divides the paper plane into two parts. So I will take a point 55, suppose. Point 55 is in second plane. इस line से इधर 5 is the point. So I will put here 5 plus 5 plus 5 less than 5, 10 less than 5, which is not true. So this is 5 जो है वो is not greater than 10. So ये वाला जो है non feasible reason है, ये वाला जो है ये feasible reason है. Let me check. Take any point. Suppose I have taken 1, 1. I have taken a point 1, 1 and I put value of 1, 1 in given inequality. 1 plus 1. इस साइड आप कोई भी पॉइंट ले सकते हो. इस साइड 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2 इस लाइन से इधर. सो आई विल टेकन 1, 1. 1 plus 1 is greater than 5. So 2 is less than 5 या 5 is greater than 2, which is true. तो ये सारा हमारा solution एरिया है, feasible एरिया है. We may shade it below this line. It means this is feasible reason and the solution of this given inequality. Let me do one more question. So question number 8. Solve inequality graphically. 3x minus 5y less than 30. So I will simply take, if x is 0, y will be 30 upon 3, 10. 0, 10 एक पॉइंट आ गया. इफ आई विल टेक x, y is equal to 0, x will be 30 upon minus 5 minus 6. So minus 6, 0. So these are 2 points 0, 10. 0 पे 10 and minus 6, 0. So I will take this line, draw this line, join these points, draw the line. Now again we are having two plane. One is plane 1, half plane 1. Second is half plane 2. So I will take point in plane 1. In plane 1 I have taken minus 6 and 6. Suppose minus 6 and 6 एक point लिया है. Minus 6 and 6 in plane 1 and put in the inequality. I will check. This is 48 plus 30. 18 plus 30, 48. 48 is less than 30, which is not true. तो ये सारा एरिया जो है, this is non feasible area, area 1. So then I come to the second plane, take a point here. uh, in general I will take suppose 0 0 ले लिया, simple point है. In this plane 0 0 I will check the 3 into 0 minus 5 into 0 less than 30, 0 less than 30, which is true. So it means region 2 is the feasible region and is the solution of inequality. We may shade this graph below this line, this shading area here, this shaded area here, below this line, region 2 is the feasible region and is the solution of inequality. Thank you.